Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the French Revolution that was started in 1789 and was ended in 1799. Today's class we are going to discuss about the various causes of French Revolution. First one is social causes. French society in the 18th century was divided into three estates, that is clergy, nobility and common people. The members of the first two estates enjoyed privileges by birth. Peasants made up about 90% of population. However, only a small number of them owned the land they cultivated. About 60% of land was owned by nobles and church. They leased to peasants for greater share in production. Peasants were obliged to render free service to their lord, to work in his house and fields, to serve in the army or participate in building roads. The three estates, first, second and third. The first estate is clergymen. Second estate consists of nobility and third estate consists of big men, businessmen, merchants, court officials, lawyers, peasants, artisans, small peasants, landless labor and servants. Next one we are going to discuss about the political cause. Absolutism. French society ruled with absolute power. The Enlightenment. The philosophers of the Enlightenment promoted democracy and wrote about the abuses of French kings. The success of Puritans and American Revolution inspired the French to challenge the king. Next one, we are going to discuss about the economic causes. The drought that happened during 1789 led to food shortage and prices of food were increased. The third estates were the only ones who were paying taxes, whereas the second estate and third estate, which are the nobles and the clergy, not taxed. That is, exemption was given to the nobles and the clergymen because King Louis wanted them to continue to support him. King Louis XVI taxed the third estate heavily because France was bankrupt due to the debt of past wars and lavish style of palace. Next one we are going to discuss about the role of French philosophers. First one is Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Jean-Jacques Rousseau was a French philosopher and compressor of 18th century. Wrote the social contract, a contract between all members of society. Man is born free, but everywhere he is in chains. Individuals should give up some privileges or for benefit of community. Discuss inequality in society. Views inspired revolutionary in years to come. Next one we are going to discuss about the Voltaire. Believed in the separation of church and state as well as freedom of thought. Believed in great tolerance within society. He mainly believed in separation of church and state. He was born in Paris. His father was a notary and his mother came from a noble family. He believed that a monarch could rule well if he or she was intelligent. He felt that common people were ignorant and superstitious. He hated injustice and defended people he believed were victims of prejudice. The next one is Montesquieu. He wrote a book called The Spirit of Laws. He identified three types of governmental power, that is, legislative, executive, and judicial. Separation of powers would keep any individual or group from gaining total control. Finally, we are going to discuss about the results of French Revolution. Feudalism was abolished. Nobles and clergy lost special privileges. Liberty, equality, and fraternity and brotherhood was made. Declaration of Rights of Man, that is, all are equal before law. National Assembly was established. Church cannot levy tax on crops. That crops lost privileges for clergy. Church property was confiscated and constitution was made in 1791 and France was ruled by the constitutional monarchy. This was about the French Revolution. Thank you.